How to shut down your PC or laptop quickly and safely. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can shut down your PC or laptop quickly but safely. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take is you'll need to know your shortcuts. Now, the shortcuts are really easy. All you have to do is hit Alt plus F4. So let me just type that in for you here. Let me just type that in. Alt plus F4. So just type this shortcut and it should shut your computer down. Now, let me show you what I mean. After you hit Alt plus F4, it will just open up this window where you can select what you want to do. So simply select shutdown, and if you hit enter once, it'll just hit OK and your shutdown will begin. Now that's really simple. That's basically how you do it. The other method is by simply opening up your start menu and shutting it down. Now that's the basic normal stuff. But Alt plus F4 is what will shut your computer down really simply and quickly. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.